For this week's project, we are going to do Pablo Picasso's Cubism style self-portrait. So that means we are going to draw ourselves in the Cubism style, which was the style that Pablo Picasso founded. Now, the first thing we're going to be doing is making sure our paper is portrait, not landscape. Make sure it's portrait, like you see on this video. And the first step is to draw the shape of your head and your neck and your shoulders. So the first thing we're going to do is draw our big head. Since it's a self-portrait, portraits take up the whole page. So we are going to take up the entire page for our head. Then we are going to draw our neck, which is the thickness of our head. And then our shoulders are going to be going off the page like you see. That is step 1. Step 2, we're going to divide the face into 2 different parts. One side is going to be looking like it's facing forward, and then the other side is going to look like it's facing profile view. So in the middle, we are going to go, that's the forehead, there's the nose, and then the chin. Step 3, we're going to add the eyes. So the eyes are going to go above the nose, and we're going to do 2 different types of eyes. So on the left side, we are going to draw an eye as if you're looking in the mirror, as you're facing forward. And that is like drawing a football or an almond, and then with the eyebrow like so. Then the right eye kind of looks like a greater than sign, or it can kind of look like an ice cream cone. With an eyebrow. Once you complete the eyes, then we're going to add our ears and our lips. Now our ears are going to be a little bit different. So our left ear is going to be over here. Our right ear is going to be in the middle of the space because it is a profile view. And then our lips are going to be like that. It's going to end up looking like regular lips somewhat. So step 5 is adding the hair. Now, depending on how your hairstyle is, depends on how you draw this. Now, your hair starts mid-forehead or mid-head. The left side is going to be as if you're facing the mirror. So if you're facing forward, looking straight at yourself, then the right side, you're going to do it as if you're facing a profile view. So that means if your hair is in a ponytail, you would actually see the ponytail. Remember that your hair goes towards your ear and comes back here, and all this gets pulled back into the ponytail. Like so. So once you complete step 5, we are going to start on the details on the shirt. So step 6, we're going to draw a collar divided in half. Now, one side is going to be one geometric shape, and then the other is going to be a different geometric shape. For my example, I'm going to be using rectangles or stripes and polka dots. Once you complete the design on your shirt, you're going to add diagonal lines in both directions to create a pattern in the background. So it's basically diagonal lines going one way and then the opposite way. And that is how we complete our Cubism style self-portrait.